Hey, I'm the Threadless Fridge, and I'm running wild at C2E2.
I think it's pretty damn awesome. One of the most original costumes I've seen here so far. I kind of just want to chase it.
Did I sign it? This makes me hungry.
Hope for humanity. All right.
That's really funny.
Confused.
I want to tackle it. Like full on, knock it out and tackle it.
I like the refrigerator being here. I can't even tell you how many Threadless t-shirts I own, so.
It looks uncomfortable, but otherwise pretty awesome.
That's a fridge. It looks very happy. It's a little scary.
You want a free phone?
I think your fridge is funny, and I like the way he bounces up and down. I've been watching him for 2 or 3 days now, and it's fantastic.
The fridge is awesome.
It's adorable. It's so cute.
And he's covered in Threadless stuff, which is a plus.
The cape is a very big plus, I must say. Scary little man inside.